Hello, son. Let's continue with IELTS speaking part 1. Remember to answer in 2 to 3 sentences. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just speak naturally. Question 1. What are you studying?
I am in my final year of high school. At the moment, I am taking extra courses to prepare for the university entrance exams and competency assessment test. I mainly study math, chemistry, and biology because I want to get into medical school.
Thank you, Sun. That was a clear answer. Now let's move to the next question. Question 2. What do you like about your studies?
I like my studies because they are in line with my interests and my long-term goals. I enjoy learning about science, especially biology, uh, because it
That
because it helps me to understand how the human body works. It also motivates me to be to become a doctor in the future.
that's a really nice reason. Sun, it's clear that you have a strong passion for science. Now let's go to the next question. What's your field of study?
Right now, I am studying uh, general subjects at high school. Uh, high school, uh, but I'm focusing on science subjects. These subjects are are the most important for students who want to study medicine at university.
That's a good answer, Sun. You're staying on topic and it's clear. Now let's move to the next question. Question 4. What do you find difficult about your field of study?
I think my studies are quite academically demanding. Sometimes I have difficulty grasping and applying complex theories, especially in math and biology. Uh,
That's a really honest answer, Sun, and it's great that you can identify those challenges. Now let's go on to the next question. Question 5. What subjects will you take when you go to university?
uh, I I would like study medicine medicine at university because it matches my dream of becoming to a doctor. Uh, I believe
That's
it will help me help me expand my horizons and build a versatile foundation for my future career.
That's a really good point, Sun. It sounds like you have a strong motivation. Now let's move to the next question. Question 6. Which courses are you doing this term?
This term, I am taking extra courses in math, chemistry, and biology. I am also attending
Take your time. If you need a moment to finish your thought, that's totally fine. Once you're ready, you can continue, and I'll be here to listen.
Can you repeat question 6?
Of course. The question was, which courses are you doing this term? Whenever you're ready, go ahead and answer, and we'll continue after.
Yes. This time I am taking extra courses in math, chemistry, and biology. I am also
That's a clear
I am also attending uh, attending com, compet, compet, competency assessment preparation course because I want to meet the admission requirements of my dream medical university.
That's a strong answer, son. Really well explained. Now let's move on to the next question. Question 7, how do you find them?
I find them interesting but quite challenging. They require a lot of time and effort, but they help me improve knowledge and prepare well for my future studies.
That's a really good explanation, son. You're being clear about both the difficulty and the benefit. Now let's go to the last question. Question 8, which exams do you usually find difficult?
I usually find the competency assessment exams difficult because they test knowledge from different subjects and require critical thinking. I also need demonstrate English language proficiency. So I spend time improving my English as well.
That's a really solid answer, son. Very clear reasoning. You've explained the challenge well, and it shows you're working on both subjects and your English. Great job.
Okay, please help me assess my
Of c-
speech.
I'd be happy to. Could you let me know which part you'd like me to focus on, like fluency, grammar, or vocabulary, or if you'd like a full band score assessment? Let me know and I'll break it down for you.
Please give me a full band score assessment.
Of course, I'll give you a full band score assessment based on the 4 IELTS criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. After that, I'll provide you with an overall band score and some specific feedback on how to improve.
Yeah, please go on.
Great, let's go step by step. First, for fluency and coherence, I would place you around a band 5. You keep a steady flow, but there are some hesitations and slight repetitions. For lexical resource, I'd give you about a band 5 as well. You have some good vocabulary, but it's still a bit basic, and you repeat certain phrases. For grammatical range and accuracy, I'd also give you a band 5. You use simple sentences mostly, and there are a few grammatical slips. Finally, for pronunciation, I'd say band 5. You're understandable, but there are occasional issues with word endings and stress. Overall, I'd say your band score is around 5. Now, to improve, I'd suggest practicing more complex sentences, expanding your vocabulary with synonyms, and working on clearer stress and intonation patterns.
Yes, thank you.